Alright. Now you got your sticker here. What you'll do, grab yourself some masking tape. And you'll put it somewhere in the middle there, just to make like a hinge. You take your decal, place it where you want it. And goes right there. Put your tape down, hold it like that. You can get your measurements, make sure you're straight. Once you know you're good, you take one end of your paper, pull the decal up, peel it easy, peel back on itself. Once you get to about the tape, just cut off that little bit of backing. Get your squeegee or use a license plate or your license or a credit card, and just slowly squeegee it down just like that. Work your bubbles out. Then move to the other side. You can peel your tape off now. Real easy. Fold your decal back and slowly peel back the other side off. And we'll just do the same thing back across. Kind of hold that up. Just slowly put them with pressure. Pull the bubbles out. And just take the end, take your time, don't peel fast. Peel back on itself like that, like pull all the way back. I like to do it that way. Just peel easy. And if it starts to peel the sticker up anywhere, you know, just work it down a little bit, peel it back up again. There you go, like that.